So the first thing that we're going to do for our birch tree landscape is we want to make sure our paper is going the right way. Again, we want it to go side to side. That's landscape. We don't want it to go up and down because that's portrait. So get your paper side to side so it's landscape style. And then you're going to get to choose 4 pieces of tape to be your trees. So again, get off the piece. Remember, use your 2 fingers together like that. That'll make it so it rips nice and easy. And I want you to put your 4 pieces of tape anywhere on your paper. So before you do that, you can either set your tape on your pant leg or your table until you have all 4 pieces ripped off. Get another one, 2, 3. Now we do that. We stick it on the table or our pant leg first for this project because we want it to get a little less sticky. So then when we take it off of our paper, it doesn't rip it as much. So we've got 4 pieces of tape now. Some are big, some are small. So I can go ahead now and place them on my paper. Remember, I want to spread them out. I don't want them all to be in the same space or the same level. We want to use those different areas in space: foreground, middle ground, and background. So I'll put one there, and I'll put one over here. And you can change it up too if you want. Maybe you want to rip one of your pieces so it looks like it's got a little bit of a branch. Stuff like that is just fine. I'll make one all the way up there. So now I've got my 4 pieces of tape. Now my next step is I'm going to need to make my horizon line. Now I can't put my horizon line down here because if I do that, it's going to look like this tree and this tree are going to be floating in the air. We don't want any of our trees to be floating. So you have to make sure the bottom of your tree, so anywhere where the bottom of your trees are, they need to be below your horizon line. So I could do something like that. That works just fine because all the bottoms of my trees are below my horizon line. Then once I have that ready to go, I'm ready to start painting my ground and my sky. So you can use more than just, green for your ground and blue for your sky. If you want to add a couple more colors, that's up to you. I'll go through, just kind of paint this area in. Again, I can use, if I want light green, dark green, I can change the amount of water that I use as well. Less water is going to make my color darker. More water is going to make it look lighter. So I'm just going in, filling in my ground here. Got some green. I might add a little bit more, some other colors in a second. How about maybe I'll add, clean off my brush, I'll add a little bit of blue over here. Maybe we'll have a little puddle there or something. And then when I get to doing my details, I can go in and make that look a little more realistic. And once you're done with the ground, you're ready to start moving on to the sky. And again, I'm just painting over it, acting like my tape is not even there. And you can see I still made these really nice looking, some extra lines here that kind of make it darker. Some are lighter. I might even go in and throw a little bit of brown in there as well. Again, if I do that though, I need to make sure if I'm using some brown, that I am also cleaning out my water, because if I have brown water and I'm trying to paint a nice blue sky next, it's going to make it look a little dirtier. So clean out your water. I've got a new water already. And then you can start doing that sky. Again, the sky could be different colors. Doesn't need to be just blue. It can be blue and purple. And you can change it up however you'd like. It's kind of up to you. So get that finished up, and once your sky is done, we'll get to start taking off the tape. So I'll finish that up, and then we'll take off our tape.